Alright, so here's our Wikipedia UI. Let's do cat if we can. Okay, and we can see that the end-to-end result is just a cat is a domestic cat, domesticated mammal of the Felis catus species, and N at the end is just a padding. We can see here in the serial monitor that this is the first encryption step where the fractionated form gets found, and then this is the columnar transposition, and this is the returning the columns at the end. Yeah, it's since it's only one row, there's only one entry in each column, so there's no minimal change. And then down here you can see the decryption. So this is the result returned from the server, and we go in reverse order. So these are all the columns we got turned into rows, and then this is the reverse of the column scrambles, and then this is the looking up in the final block for the original characters. And now we can do it for a longer word as well. So let's hold this down, and now let's do like so there's error handling code as well. Let's do that first. So let's say for like, you know, something like this, there's not going to be any entry on Wikipedia. So our code will just return us an error, and it says like check topic word formatting, server-side error, extract non-page. Basically, number one, the word didn't exist. Number two, it was not a multiple of 3 or greater, which is required to be for our key alignment that I mentioned in the report. So let's try again, and notice here it returns a server error. So let's try another larger word. Let's say, you know, gear. I don't know. Let's do gear. Gearing. I don't know. Gearing. Let's do geared. I don't think this will exist on Wikipedia either, but okay, geared. Then let's send it. All right, well, it doesn't exist on Wikipedia, but notice here in the encryption, the result here is different from the result here, which shows that the columns are actually being returned in the last one for the encryption. So that's that.